Remember that we do not want to stop or pause while creating the frame. We can just continue fluently dancing, and you can create the frame meanwhile. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Continue the dancing, and then we're sort of closing the frame while moving on. We do not want to stop because there is simply not enough time to do that. So you can first spread your arms, continue the steps even without the contact, and then close the frame while you're moving. Okay, let's now dance the entire circle. We're going to rotate on 2 and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. One more thing that we should explain is when to let go with the man's left hand. 1, 2, 3. Now it goes up. 2, 2, 3. Lower. And when the hand is low, you're letting go with it so you can rotate further. Okay, now we've covered everything. We want this step to be universal, so remember that you can use all of the parts that we've explained, mix them, mix the small rotation with the big rotation, mix it with going underneath the hand and back to back. Just remember to start it when the lady is going forward. Another idea is to dance up to 8 rotating 90 degrees and then dance the next 8 beats rotating 130 degrees. Then incorporate